Exponential and Logarithmic Equations. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are exponential equations? 2. How many types of exponential equations are there? 3. How do we solve the exponential equation without involving logarithms? 4. How do we solve the exponential equation by involving logarithms? 5. What are logarithmic equations? 6. How many types of logarithmic equations are there? 7. How do we solve standard logarithmic equations? 8. How do we solve more advanced logarithmic equations? Introduction. What is the value of x in the equation 3 to the power of x equals 9? How did you find it? What about the equation 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 is equal to 15? What type of number is the solution? Are you able to solve all types of exponential equations? Why? Why not? Do you have any idea on how to solve the equation log 5x equals 2? What about the equation log 3, 2x minus 1 equals log 100? All the equations are different from those discussed in previous lessons and tutorials. They either belong to the exponential or logarithmic equations. We are going to explain these in detail in this tutorial. That is all for introduction to exponential and logarithmic equations. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 13.2.1, the definition of exponential equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.